I'm already here. Okay, I'm already here in Central Hot China. You see, this is the Central Hot China. Okay, I will go inside Central Hot China. Okay, okay. Wala naman tayong gagawin dito, pero we will just enjoy here and we will always enjoy. Okay? So, yeah, dito tayo Central. Picture muna tayo before tayo pumasok. So, here. Okay? Central Hot China. Kakain lang tayo dito. Um, tingnan natin kung may bibilin tayo, but I don't think so. Okay. Dito na tayo sa loob. Okay? See you.